Welcome to Water Today's Virtual Water Expo and Conferences, hosting from 4th to 6th of February 2021. This exhibition can be visited from the official website waterex.biz, that is waterex.biz, or you can use the link which has been shared with you. Once you come to that URL, you will be coming to the page which is the official landing page for this exhibition. Once you come to this page, you can see this exhibition is an international exhibition on water and wastewater technology and equipment, hosting from 4th to 6th of February 2021. On this page, you will be having the information what is this exhibition all about and what all features you're going to see in this exhibition. You can also see the top 10 reasons why you should be a part of this exhibition. You can see the sponsors of this exhibition as well as the video gallery and the exhibitor list who all are participating inside this exhibition. In order to visit this exhibition, you just need to click on visitor register. Once you click on visitor register, you have to just fill a very small form and your login credential will get generated. You can use the same login credential by clicking on visitor login. Once you click on visitor login, you will come to the page where you can enter your user ID and password and you can click on sign in. The moment you click on sign in, you will be landing inside a page which is the landing page for this exhibition and called as lobby of this exhibition. You can see all the announcements which has been made by the organizer or exhibitor. You can see the video advertisement. You can see who do you need to contact in the water exhibition. You can see the list of exhibitors who are participating inside this exhibition, their product, sponsors of this exhibition, as well as the new arrival. New arrival are the product which has been freshly launched inside this exhibition, and they are nowhere available apart from this exhibition. You can see the banners of this exhibition. You can see the list of exhibitors participating inside this. These are the booths, and once you bring your mouse on the booth, you will be getting a brief introduction about what is this exhibitor all about. You can exchange your visiting card. You can either give your visiting card or take your visiting card with the organizer. You can initiate your text communication with the organizer by clicking on contact us. You can see the pre-recorded conference video of this exhibition. If you want to attend the live conferences, you can just click on auditorium and you will be directed to the live conferences. In a single click, you can see the list of all exhibitors, all visitors, all products, all new arrived products participating inside this exhibition or displaying inside this exhibition. You can click on document and you can download any number of flyers, posters and banners related to this exhibition. Now once you bring your mouse on this booth, they will give you a brief introduction about the exhibitor. You can select any of the exhibitor of your choice. If you click on it, you will be coming to the page which is the booth of this exhibitor. Again, in this you can see these are the contact details of this exhibitor. You can visit their official website. You can initiate your text communication with them, and these are the freshly arrived product of this exhibitor. You can also see the related videos about this exhibitor, their post exhibitions and their post conferences. In the left hand side, you will see the scroll which shows all the products of this particular exhibitor. If you want to switch to some other exhibitor, you can utilize this exhibitor button. You can communicate with your other co-visitors. You can see all the list of products which is being displayed by this exhibitor only, as well as this particular exhibitor's new arrival and his documents. In the left hand side, in the top, you will find some tabs. So this is take visiting card, give visiting card, from which either you can give your visiting card or you can take their visiting card. You can give feedback about the booth. You can book an appointment of yours with this exhibitor. You can see all the announcements being made by this exhibitor. You can see the showcase. This is e-showcase where all the items and all the articles, all the products of this exhibitors is being displayed. You can also initiate a video and audio communication using a Skype and WhatsApp with this exhibitor. If you click on e-showcase, it will bring you to the product display page where you can see the product, and we had just displayed the wastewater treatment plant. So once you bring your mouse over there, you will be able to see the enlarged zoom view of this product. In the right hand side, you are seeing some tabs like make your offer. Clicking on this will initiate your quotation with the exhibitor, and the exhibitor will be able to send you a wonderful quotation which is available nowhere else. You can click on where to buy to see that where all this product is physically available or the sales office of this exhibitor is there. You can download any brochure. You can contact to this exhibitor by clicking on this for a better deal. You can write your own reviews, what you feel about this product. You can also see any videos related to this product, the demonstration, video demonstration of this product is easily available over here on this column. You can see the specification and descriptions of this particular product, and you can also see the recommended product. So these are the other product of the same exhibitor. You can click on back, and you will be landing back to the same booth where you can have some other transactions. If you want to go back to the lobby, you can just click on back to lobby and you will be there inside the lobby. So I guess like we had given you a brief introduction how you can enjoy this exhibition. So we are eagerly waiting for you to welcome you inside this exhibition as a visitor. Thank you.